Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about DevOps. Imagine you're building a robot and every time you make a change to it, you have to start it all over again. That would take forever, right? Well, DevOps is like having a helper robot to make the building process faster and better. It's like a team of robots working together to make sure the software you use on your mobile or computer is always up to date and working smoothly. Think of it like a pipeline. Your ideas go in at one end, and by the time they reach the other end, they are ready to use. And the best part is, the DevOps robots are always looking for ways to make the pipeline even better. They work together to fix any problems and to make the process faster so you can have the latest and greatest software. It's like having a team of tech superheroes working behind the scenes to make sure your software is always working at its best. So next time you're playing a game on your phone or using a cool new app, you'll know that DevOps helped make it possible.